Sir, one thing that many people would ask, that if gravitational waves are kind of waves that is there in the universe, so is there a way that we physically feel the gravitational waves, or what could be the like what scales would be there so that one can feel the gravitational waves?
Yeah, so it has to be extremely strong. So at this point, all that happened with the strongest signal that we have yet measured was things, strongest signals that we have measured from LIGO, and their two mirrors placed 4 kilometers apart moved by, atometers, right? So now that really, so in principle, yes, when the gravitational wave went, it actually squeezed Earth also back and forth. So the Earth also was squeezed back and forth, but that's by a very tiny amount, right? So those things are not something that we detect or we'll feel, other than need that. That's why you need special apparatus, right? And even if you look at gravitational waves, we are trying to monitor pulsars, which again, if you're sitting on Earth and monitoring pulsars, pulsars are excellent clocks. When a gravitational waves on scales of the solar systems, or even bigger than much bigger than the solar system, light year scales, passes by, then it will move the pulsars closer to us or far away from us, right? So then there will be a jitter in the timing, right? And so there, what is happening is nothing is the distances between pulsar and us are changing, right? But that's also by a tiny amount, right? So you can imagine, I mean, if you know, uh, essentially even very close to where the, if you were somewhere in the galaxy itself where these black holes merge, you know, the perturbation would not have been significant. I mean, it would have been much stronger than 10 to the minus 19. But even if you go back and look at it, it's at very small level that you will get perturbed.